Myself Dattatreya Jadhav. I am from Exam College Karnal. In previous video, we learn about displacement, acceleration, velocity, jerk. These quantities are discussed. In today's lecture, we studied about derivative as rate measures. Derivative as a rate measures. Look at here. The meaning of dy by dx. The meaning of dy by dx is a rate of change of y with respect to x. Rate of change of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. It's a meaning for dy by dx. Look at here. Here we know that if s is a displacement of a particle, then velocity is defined as a rate of change of displacement with respect to time, and it is denoted by ds by dt. It is denoted by ds by dt. So what is meant by dy by dx? Rate of change of y with respect to x. Or in another way, I can explain you dy by dx as a rate measure. Look at here. Again, I can take here function y is equal to f of x, and graph of the function is like this: y is equal to f of x. There are 2 points on the curve. These 2 points are a and b. If I draw these 2 points, or if I draw secant AB from the points A and B, and I can define average rate. Average rate. Yes, what is tan theta here? Tan theta is if this distance is x, y, x axis, y axis, this distance is delta x, and this distance is delta y, or we can denote delta x and delta y. Delta x and delta y. Then average rate, that is tan theta is equal to delta y by delta x. This is the average rate of y with respect to x. But to find instantaneous rate at the point A means we have to move the point B towards A. So instantaneous rate is equal to this delta x becomes 0. This is the limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x, and it's nothing but dy by dx, and dy by dx is nothing but instantaneous rate of change of y with respect to x. Just remember only what is the meaning of dy by dx is rate of change of y with respect to x. y मध्ये घडणारा बदल with respect to x मध्ये घडणाऱ्या बदलाबद्दल, बरोबर. ओके, सो look at here. Again, if A is the area, then dA by dt is what? dA by dt is rate of change of area with respect to time t. Why with respect to time? All these things in universe are depends on time. So always we differentiate with respect to t. That function with respect to t, that a with respect to t, that is dA by dt. If r is the radius of the circle, then dr by dt. What is the meaning of dr by dt? dr by dt is radius is increasing at the rate, or rate of change of radius with respect to time. If v is the volume of sphere, what is dv by dt? Meaning of dv by dt? dv by dt is nothing but rate of change of volume with respect to time. If s is the surface area, what is ds by dt? If s is the surface area, then ds by dt is rate of change of surface area with respect to time, or surface area is increasing at the rate. If h is the height, of the core, then dh by dt, what is mean by dh by dt? dh by dt is nothing but rate of change of height with respect to time. So these are the meanings of ddx of y, ddt of a, ddt of r, ddt of v, ddt of s, ddt of h. To solve examples on rate measures, there are few steps, working steps. What are the working steps to solve example on rate measures? First step is write the given quantities. And to find quantities. Second step, use the formula. What is the geometrical figure? Identify the geometrical figure and use the appropriate formula. Third step, differentiate that formula with respect to t. And fourth step, solve it for required answer. These are the working steps for examples on derivative as a rate measures. How we identify that the example is on rate measures? Clearly it is a word problem, and the word rate is there in the examples. So starting with first example is a spherical soap bubble is expanding so that its radius is increasing at the rate of 0.02 centimeter per second. At what rate is the surface area is increasing when its radius is 5 centimeter? लक्ष द्या, हे एक्झाम्पल्स आपले जे असणार आहेत ते वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम्स असणार आहेत. त्या वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम्स मध्ये एक वर्ड असा असणार आहे रेट. कोणता वर्ड असणार आहे? रेट. आणि त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला लक्षात येईल की हे एक्झाम्पल आपले रेट मेजर्स वरचे आहे. ओके, आता वर्किंग स्टेप्स मध्ये काय करायचं आहे बघा. फर्स्ट आयडेंटिफाय द जिओमेट्रिकल फिगर. स्फेरिकल सोप बबल म्हणजे काय असणार आहे? एक स्फियर असणार आहे आणि स्फियरशी रिलेटेड ज्या टर्म्स असतील त्या आपल्या काय असणार आहे? रेडियस, सरफेस एरिया आणि व्हॉल्यूम. स्फियरशी रिलेटेड क्वांटिटीज. सो स्टार्टिंग विथ लेट r and s be the radius and surface area. Radius and surface area of spherical soap bubble. First step is write the given and to find quantities. Given what is given? A spherical soap bubble is expanding so that radius is increasing at the rate. Means dr by dt is given. Rate of change of radius. Dr by dt is given dr by dt which is equal to 0.02 centimeter per second. Now to find what is to find what rate is the surface area is increasing. Means rate of change of surface area. If S is the surface area, then ds by dt is nothing but rate of change of surface area, which is equal to question mark. when its radius is 5 cm. Find rate of change of surface area when r is equal to 5 cm. Means here first step is completed. Now use the formula. Use the formula. We know, I can write here, we have, yes, formula in between these two terms, S and R, radius and surface area. We have surface area of a sphere is given by 4 pi r square. Okay, surface area of a sphere is given by 4 pi r square. Now moving to third step, differentiate with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t, we get a derivative of s with respect to t is ds by dt. 4 pi, 4 is constant, pi is constant. Now look at here, r is a variable. So differentiate r with respect to r. Derivative of r square is 2r and multiplied by dr by dt. Since we are differentiating with respect to t, so multiplied by dr by dt. On simplification, it becomes 4 into 2, 8 pi r into dr by dt. But it is given that dr by dt is 0.02. So 8 pi r into 0.02, which is equal to 8 into 0.02 is 0.16 pi r. But we have to find ds by dt and r is equal to 5. Therefore, and r is equal to 5 cm, ds by dt and r is equal to 5 means put value of r is 5. 0.16 pi into 5. 0.16 into 5. 0.8 pi. It's ds by dt and r is equal to 5. And unit of the area is square unit. So here unit is centimeter per second for radius, and for area it's centimeter square per second. Thus I can say the rate of change of surface area is 0.8 pi when its radius is 5 centimeter. It's our first example. Now moving to our second example. The second example is the surface area of a spherical balloon is increasing at the rate of 2 cm square per second. At what rate the volume of the balloon is increasing when radius of the balloon is 6 cm. Now again look at here, there are the words rate, means the example is on rate meters. How to solve the examples on rate meters? First identify geometrical figure. First identify geometrical figure. The surface area of spherical balloon. Spherical balloon means there is a sphere. So I can draw here a sphere. Sphere, what are the quantities are there? Its radius, surface area and its volume. So I can start with, let R, S and B be the radius, surface area and volume of spherical balloon. Now moving to our working steps, write the given and to find quantities. First I can write given. What is given? The surface area of spherical balloon is increasing. If S is the surface area, then surface area is increasing at the rate. It means that rate of change of surface area with respect to time is given. ds by dt is equal to 2 cm square per second. And to find, what is to find balloon, volume of the balloon is in, at what rate the volume of the balloon is increasing. V is the volume, then rate of change of volume is nothing but dV by dt, which is to be find, and R is equal to 6 cm. Now the working steps are first completed. Second, use formula. Use formula. We have the formula is for sphere. Yes, what are the formulas for sphere? First one is surface area of sphere is is equal to 4 pi r square. Now differentiate that with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t. Derivative of s with respect to t is ds by dt is equal to 4 pi constant into, tell me derivative of r square. Derivative of r square is 2r and multiplied it by dr by dt. Since it is differentiated with respect to t, not with r, so it becomes 8 pi r into dr by dt. But it is given that ds by dt is equal to 2. So therefore 2 is equal to 8 pi r into dr by dt. I can find here dr by dt. 2 4s are 8. So 1 upon 4 pi r, which is a relation for rate of change of radius. But to find dv by dt, use another formula for volume. Yes, volume of a sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Yes, formula is v is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate with respect to t. To find dv by dt, we have to differentiate above formula with respect to t. Since all the things are in the universe are depends on t. So dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 constant, pi constant. Now tell me, radius is also increasing, means it is a variable. Variables derivative, r cube derivative is 3r square into r cube derivative with respect to r is 3r square. But we are differentiating with respect to t, so multiply it by dr by dt. This 3 get cancelled. 4 pi r square into dr by dt. dv by dt is equal to. Now I can put the value of equation 1 in this equation. Therefore I write dv by dt is equal to 4 pi r square into dr by dt is 1 upon 4 pi r. 1 upon 4 pi r. 4 pi get cancel, 1 r get cancel, and dv by dt, rate of change of volume with respect to time is r, and we have to find dv by dt at r is equal to 6. So at r is equal to 6 centimeter, dv by dt at r is equal to 6, which is equal to 6, and since it is a volume, unit of volume is cubic unit. Unit is only a centimeter per second, so I can write centimeter cube per second. dv by dt, which is required. The rate of increase of volume of a balloon is 6 centimeter cube per second when radius of the balloon is 6 centimeter. Now we move to our next example. Next example is the volume of a sphere increasing at the rate of 20 centimeter cube per second. Find the rate of change of its surface area when its radius is 5 centimeter. Here is again, look at here, the words are rate is in the example. So it is clearly the example on rate measures. What are the steps? First step is write given and to find quantity. Second one is use formula. Third one is differentiating with respect to t. Fourth one is solve for the required quantity. So I can start with what is first identifying the geometrical figure. What is the geometrical figure? Here geometrical figure is sphere, and in sphere what are the quantities are included in sphere? Arms, radius, yes, surface area, and V is the volume of the sphere. So I can write solution. Let R, S and V be the radius, surface area and volume of sphere. Now, what is the first step? Write given and to find quantities. I can write here given. What is given? The volume of a sphere increasing at the rate. Volume is increasing. That is V is increasing at the rate. It means that rate of change of volume with respect to time is given. It is given 20 centimeter cube per second. Here cube is why? Because it is a volume. Find. Now second, to find rate of change of surface area. Yes, it's the surface area. Now rate of change of surface area means what? ds by dt is equal to question mark. When its radius is 5, that is find ds by dt and radius is 5 centimeter. Now moving to our next step, working step, use formula. First I can use the formula here. We have, what is the formula in between these three? Yes, surface area, volume and radius. Volume of a sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate that relation with respect to t. Therefore, differentiating with respect to t. Yes, dv by dt, derivative of v with respect to t is dv by dt is equal to, tell me 4 by 3 is a constant as it is, pi is a constant as it is, r is a radius and radius sphere is increasing, so its radius is also increasing. So radius is what? Variable quantity. Derivative of r cube is p r square with respect to r. But we are differentiating with respect to t. So don't forget to multiply dr by dt. 3 3 get cancelled. It's 4 pi r square dr by dt. Value of dv by dt. But dv by dt is 20 centimeter cube per second. So I can write here 20 is equal to 4 pi r square into dr by dt. Solving, we get dr by dt. 4 5s are 20, so 5 divided by pi r square. Its value of dr by dt, that is rate of change of radius with respect to time. I can consider that equation as equation number first. And tell me what is to find? To find surface rate of change of surface area. So tell me the formula for surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is denoted by s. S is equal to 4 pi r square. So use the formulas. Differentiating with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t. Why we differentiate with respect to t? To get ds by dt. So ds by dt is equal to 4 pi is constant. Derivative of r square is 2r. When derivative of r square is 1, we differentiate with respect to r. But here we differentiate with respect to t. So derivative of r square is 2r into dr by dt, which is equal to 8 pi r into dr by dt. But here from equation first, dr by dt is what? 5 divided by pi r square. So I can write here, therefore ds by dt is equal to 8 pi r into dr by dt, 5 divided by pi r square. Pi get cancelled, r get cancelled, 8 5s are 40. 40 divided by 1 r is remaining in denominator. So it's ds by dt. What is meant by ds by dt? Rate of change of surface area, and that is to find when r is equal to 5. So I can write at r is equal to 5 centimeter ds by dt at r is equal to 5 centimeter, which is equal to 40 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 is 5 8s are 40, and since it is a surface area, unit for surface area is centimeter square per second. Unit for volume is centimeter cube. Unit for surface area is centimeter square per second. So finally, the rate of change of surface area is 8 centimeters square per second when its radius is 5 centimeter. Students, I hope you understood today's examples on rate measures. Thank you for watching the video.